Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to add 0 in front of a number in Google Sheets. This is incredibly useful when you're working with ID numbers, product codes, or any data where leading zeros need to be preserved, since Google Sheets normally removes them automatically. Let's walk through 3 different methods to achieve this. First, navigate to workspace.google.com and log into your account. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your Workspace dashboard. From here, locate and click on the spreadsheet where you want to add zeros in front of your numbers. This will open up your sheet and prepare it for editing. Now, let me show you the first method, which is the quickest if you're just entering a few numbers manually. Simply click on the cell where you want to add the 0, then type an apostrophe before your number. For example, type apostrophe 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. The apostrophe tells Google Sheets to treat everything after it as text rather than a number, so the leading 0 stays intact. This works perfectly for occasional entries, but can be tedious if you're working with large amounts of data. The second option involves formatting your cells as plain text before entering your numbers. Click on the cell you want to format, then look at the top menu and click on Format. From the drop-down menu that appears, hover over Number, and you'll see several formatting options. Click on Plain Text from this list. Once you've applied this format, the cell will treat any input as text. Now try typing 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 into that cell. You'll notice the leading 0 remains visible because the cell no longer interprets it as a numerical value. The third method is the most powerful, especially when you need consistent formatting across multiple entries. This uses custom number formatting. Click on a cell, then go back to the top menu and click Format. Again, hover over Number, but this time select Custom Number Format at the bottom of the menu. A dialog box will appear with a field labeled Custom Number Format. In this field, type 5 zeros, or adjust the number of zeros based on how many digits you want your numbers to display. For instance, if you want all your numbers to show 5 digits with leading zeros, type 0000, then click Apply. Now here's the magic. Try typing 1, 2, 3, 4 into that formatted cell. Google Sheets will automatically add a 0 in front of the number, displaying it as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. This method is ideal when you're working with batches of data that need uniform formatting. Each of these methods serves different needs, so choose the one that fits your workflow best. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.